kum shibenta ban ajing hikai gi khynnah pule kham tame ki to badang khie samla om tang ha ka pule puthi henrei ha ka koi ka khia ka jing yo long ka jinglong jingman bat ka bha ka myat jongki ka office jong ka district medical and health officer bat ka office jong ka district school education officer East Khas Hills district ha ka south rik nailar arja pulai kala penlong da ka Ayushman Bharat school health and wellness program ka pachisngi house so tham auditorium Kajing temu jong program ka long banjet arngot ki no hikai na man laki school weishin rang bat koi ka kanthai ki ban long kum ki health and wellness ambassador ki ban yarap ban ai jingmot bat ban pensngol thoi ki khynnah halor ka kot ka khia bat ki benta ki we dei bat ka jinglong samla Hakajing siyem benta kum ka kongsan ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khas Hills District ka kong Rosette Mary Kurba haba ajing kren kalaong balada kum ki kme ki pa bat kum jo kum ki no hikai lada ki tieng ban kren ki khynnah halor ka sex education na ekin yo ek jing hikai ka babha bat namar ka ni ka jing tieng ki khynnah ki yo jing tip lingba ki mobile bat ka ni ka la ban wanra ek jing hikai ka babakla Shu kala kran halor ki mat ki babun kham tam ha ka be dei ba ka jing yo khun kloi ki khynnah ki ba pep school shi teng por bat kum ta ter ki be don banta lang ha ka ni gisngi ki kanto be ka additional medical and health officer East Khas Hills district Dr. E.G. Taryang Pajan ka district school education officer East Khas Hills district ka kong M Lingwa haringkat ki noi kai bat ki principal jong ki school ba pher ka nong ba
So we should see, we are like the parents. We are the second parents, right? Teachers. I'm speaking as a teacher now because it's a habit which being a teacher before, it doesn't die. It becomes a habit. It isn't new. So the thing is that, we are saying that the adolescence is an age group. They are very vulnerable. With limited access to quality service of health, information, particularly on sexual and reproductive health. That is where we are having problem in our district and the state as a whole. Maybe the country too. Why? Because we are not talking. When we were in school earlier, there used to be a rescue mission which we have a mission called rescue mission to save the mother, pregnant mother and child. We have another mission, ECD mission, Early Childhood Development. Why do we have so many missions? Where did we go wrong? Whenever we talk about mission, the first thing that you should remember is that something is wrong. Why do we have to have some mission? We say mission mode, that means that urgency, there's an urgency. Then when we sit and discuss during meetings, we find that, in the classroom where there's a co-ed or where there's a girls' school or boys' school, we do not talk about the sexual, classes, the sexual and reproductive, health of a child. From where will they learn? If we do not teach them in school, parents are too scared to talk about it. I've gone to a meeting, I was a mother too, I am a mother too. We had gone to school. Madam here sitting, she's one of my teachers, my daughter's teacher. There we were sitting, you are the parent and we are here the principal and teachers. Who will build the gap? Both sides we are asking who will build the gap. Who's going to talk to our children? Neither the parents there, neither the school. So from where the child learn? From their friends. And friends, they use the mobile and the minute you type something, in the mobile, a lot of other things come out. How to. You just have to write how to, type how to. It's not how to live, how to, get a job. The first thing is how to kiss. It's strange. That's why it's so easy for the children to learn from the internet and they find that very interesting. We have to change our education system and we are talking about it from the health side. We have written to the education department to please include this subject. Talk to the school children. We have to talk to them. to make them understand, because the parents are not doing it, neither the school. And we leave it up to the children to learn on their own and make a mistake. I'm being told just when we were sitting there, a child of 13 years old gave birth to a baby in Pinosla. How was it that the mother, neither the school authority noticed the child who came to school on a daily basis? So this is really a great concern for us, and we really need to really talk about it. And therefore, there are other things besides that. There's also injuries and violence in digital challenges that we're facing right now. There's a lot of cyber bullying that's happening. People, they find it more like confident, comfortable to talk to someone whom they don't know through their mobile. Yes or no? How many of you have found that? They find it more comfortable to talk to strangers rather than their own parents, rather than their own teachers. Somewhere we have lost the trust of our children. We have to build up this trust again between parents and the children, as well as the student-teachers relationship. So we really need appeal to all the schools to please take our programs seriously, all the health programs, because unless we ensure that the children, like as Lisa was saying, they're fully vaccinated, okay, they have a hygiene lifestyle, then we're not ensuring them a lifelong, benefits. We see if we're talking about health, usually at one point of time, when we were talking about health, we only discuss health when we are sick. We never take a look at health as something that we can prevent. So the our attitude towards health has to be one of a preventive in nature rather than a curative one, because we don't usually give that importance to health.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.